Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to increase the RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open Settings, then go to Device Care. From here, just tap on Memory. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of RAM Plus. Just tap on it. From here, just enable the toggle for RAM Plus. Now from here, just select how much virtual RAM you want to increase. I will select 6 gigabytes. Then tap on OK. Now from here, to turn on RAM Plus on your phone, your smartphone needs to restart. Then select Restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to increase the RAM on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now if you open the Settings app, then go to Device Care. From here, just tap on Memory, then tap on RAM Plus. As you can see, we have successfully increased the RAM on our smartphone by 6 gigabytes. And this is how you can increase the RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.